um, this is another part of sequence and series, which is arithmetic progression. Just a definition for a sequence. A sequence, it is just a list of numbers where a pattern exists, and a term, we just say that it is a number within a sequence. So now just a summary of the formula of arithmetic progression. This part of sequence and series, it is usually said in paper 1 of mathematics syllabus D. So here are the formulas. We have the first formula there, which is saying find the number of terms. Finding the number of terms, you use this formula where we are saying number of terms is equal to first term plus number of terms minus 1 multiplied by D, which is the common difference. So A first term, N number of terms, D common difference. Then we also have the formula for finding the common difference, where we are saying that you say second term minus first term, or the third term minus the second term. Then apart from that, we also have the arithmetic mean. This is the arithmetic mean, and the formula is given here. So the arithmetic mean, the way it is done, imagine if you have A, B, and C there. Then these numbers, the three numbers that you have, then they ask you to find the number which is in between, having been given A and C. So this is what you do using this formula. Then the other one that we have is sum of terms. So sum of terms is given by this formula, number of terms over 2 in block brackets 2 times A plus n minus 1 multiplied by the common difference. Then lastly, we have the finding the nth term. So the nth term is given by that formula. Now what you need to understand is sequences are in different forms. You may find that others you can be adding or subtracting a certain constant number. So here are two examples of sequences that you may see. The first one is here where we're having 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So if you see here, there is a constant number which is being added to the previous number. We have 3 there, we're having 6. This simply means that 3 is being added. Then there, 9, same as 3. You come here, we are having 17, 11, 5, and negative 1. This shows that there is a constant number which is being subtracted from the previous number, and that is negative 6. If we say 17 minus 6 to give us 11, just like that. Now, having talked about this formula that we use, let's see some examples from past papers. The first example is saying the third and fourth terms of an arithmetic progression are 6 and 3 respectively. Find the first term. Okay, so this question is from 2021 internal paper 1 for the grade 12s. So solutions to these examples that we have. So the first one where they are saying the third term and the fourth terms of an arithmetic progression are 6 and 3. Then they are asking us to find the what? The first term. Okay, so it is like this. We have the first term here, then we have the second term, then the third term they are saying it is 6, and the fourth term they are saying it is what? It is 3. Then we've been asked to find the first term here. So what you do, the first thing is find the common difference between 6 and 3. So common difference will be equal to 3 minus 6. Then the common difference there, it will be negative 3. After doing this, then start adding this negative 3 to 6 there. The answer it gives you there, you also add negative 3, then you have the first term. So we'll say 6 plus negative 3, we are having 6 plus negative 3 there, we are having 3 as an answer. Then we also have, you subtract there, it will give you 9 here. Then you also have 9, you say minus negative 3. When you say 9 minus negative 3, to give you 12 here. So here you subtract, sorry for that, subtract here. So this shows that the first term was 12. So the question was find the first what? First term. So you just say first term there is equal to what? 12. This question had a single mark. It had a single mark. Going to the next question. Formula for the anything term. Formula for the anything term. Finding the formula for the nth term. Here is the formula. You just say this is B. Now the nth term is equal to first term plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. So this will be equal to the first term we know is 12 plus n. They are asking us to find the nth term, meaning n will not be substituted. We have not been given. So it will just be like that. Minus 1 multiplied by the common difference that we found there is negative 3. You put, then this will be 12 plus negative 3n plus 3. Finally, you have 12 plus 3 minus 3n. Then the answer there will be 15 minus 3n. So this is the nth term, the formula of the nth term they are looking for. Why is it being called an nth formula? Because of the presence of that n there. Okay. Now let's go to the second example here. They are saying given that 9, 15, 21, and 27 is an arithmetic progression, find the 12th term. So finding the number of terms, we are using this formula here. So this is question. This is now the solutions for question 2a, where we are saying number of terms is equal to first term plus open bracket n minus 1 multiplied by the common difference. So the first thing we should find the common difference for us to find the 12th term. So common difference will be equal to, here on the question, the second term is 15. The first term is 9. So you just say 15 minus 9. When you say 15 minus 9, there we are going to have 6 as our common difference. Okay, from there you just replace throughout in the formula number of 12 terms. So where there is n, will be putting 12 is equal to, then there we are having first term. So from the sequence there, the first term is what? 9. Then plus open bracket n, still it is what? 12 minus 1 multiplied by the common difference 6. So this is 9 plus 12 minus 1, it is 11 times 6, that is 66. Then when we add these two to give us 75 as the 12th term. This question also had a mark. Then going to the next question, which is B, formula for the nth what? Nth term. So formula for the nth term came. This is 2b. Nth term is equal to first term plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. The formula that you use to find the nth term, it is just as the same as the one we use when finding the number of terms. So this will be equal to, the first term we have is 9 plus open bracket n minus 1, the common difference 6. This will be 9 plus 6n. When you expand that, then that will be minus 6. Collect like terms, 9 minus 6 plus 6n. And this will be 3 plus 6n. This is the nth formula or nth term they needed. Then also, the next question is sum of 12 terms. Sum of 12 terms. So this is the formula used when calculating the sum of terms. So here, this is 2c. So 2c is here. Sum of terms given by the formula n over 2 block brackets 2a plus open bracket n minus 1 multiplied by d, then the block bracket closed there. They are saying how many terms we have? 12 terms. this will be equal to, then where there is n we'll be placing 12, just like that. Block brackets 2, the first term that we have in our sequence there, it is 9 plus open bracket, there at n it is 12 minus 1. The common difference that we had is what? 6. We do that. Then this will be 2 into 12, it is 6. 2 times 9, that is 18, plus 12 minus 1, that is 11. Then multiply by 6, that is 66. Then this will be 18 plus 66, where we say 8 plus 6 there, it will just give us 14. For there you add 1, 1 plus 6, 7, plus 1, 8. So you are having 84 multiplied by 6. Then when you say 84 multiplied by 6, 6 times 4 there, it's 24 there. So you just say 4 remainder 2. Then 6 times 8 there to just give you 49. 6 times 2 there, it is giving us 49. 6 times it is giving us 49. And we say times 8 to give us 48. Okay, so 6 times 4, we are saying 24, 4 remainder 2. 6 times 8, 48, plus 2, 50. So 504 as the sum of how many terms? 12 terms. Then the other question that we have is the arithmetic mean of 9 and 15. The formula we are using to calculate the arithmetic mean is this one here. So we are trying to find the arithmetic mean, which is question D. So the solution for D will be B is equal to half of A plus C. Then we are having 9 and 15. So there I will just say B will be equal to 1 over 2, 9 plus 15. Then there it will give us 1 over 2 of 25. Then this is 12.5. So for the what? For the arithmetic mean. So I want you to understand this. As you can see, I'm not using a calculator when answering these numbers or these questions. This simply means that in paper 1, you are not required to have a calculator to answer questions. So this is the whole of series and the sequence and series. So we did last time GP, now this is AP. Thank you for your time, but remember to subscribe and press on the notification button so that you can receive more updates from my YouTube channel. So this is how it was. Okay, thank you. Remember to subscribe.